we got a 2012 Jeep JK Wrangler Sport. Got a lift on it. Went foiling last weekend and had some damage, I think, and got a rattle that I've been trying to diagnose. Been for a couple weeks now, and so I've got some videos here of the rattle, and I'll come back and talk about the what the root cause was and what the solution was. Okay guys, I'm back. All right, so this is underneath the car, the Jeep. What we found is when we were off-road, I remember bottoming out, and there's some major marks underneath this bar that goes across there. It protects the exhaust and transmission. And what you see here, this is already fixed, but right in here, this thing was bent enough up where it was no gap, hardly any gap to the exhaust. So that's what was rattling. So didn't see it from underneath until I pulled this bar off, and I could see where it was rubbing. There was paint missing. And to fix it, this thing is so strong, you can't really bang it with a hammer, so I decided to do it a little different. I just added a shim, some washers, both sides, 3 points, and then that drops it down. Got enough clearance, $2 fix, good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your